Secrets of Viking construction, mastering timber and stone. How did the Vikings, known for their fierce warriors and longships, master the art of construction? Imagine building homes and fortresses that could withstand the harshest climates, using nothing but timber and stone. What secrets did they unlock to create these architectural marvels? The Vikings weren't just raiders, they were also skilled craftsmen. From their intricate longhouses to the stone-built structures scattered across Scandinavia, their construction techniques defied the challenges of their rugged environment. Without modern tools, they created structures so strong some still stand today. Using hand-hewn timber and stone, the Vikings developed methods that balanced form and function. Their mastery of interlocking timber joints and strategic stone placement created buildings that were not only durable, but also energy efficient, perfect for surviving brutal winters. And what about their iconic stave churches? These wooden masterpieces combined artistry with architectural brilliance, designed to endure for centuries. Unveiling theories and mystery. Could the Vikings have possessed knowledge of construction far more advanced than we realize? Or was it their deep connection with nature and the landscape that gave them the edge? Some of their techniques are still a mystery to modern architects. Discover the hidden secrets of Viking construction and explore the brilliance behind their long-lasting structures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting discoveries from the ancient world. Thanks for watching ChronoQuest. Till next time, have a nice one. Take care.